Hello, Darren Martin from Master Magic University, and I'd like to talk about this project here, which I call New Super Cardman Stuff by Al Leach, and this is my new variations. I learned every trick in the book. There's 25 routines in here. I have more than that. I have bonus routines as well. You're going to learn the speed transposition. You're going to learn incredible card sleights. You're going to learn incredible routines, self-working card tricks. You're going to learn my new ultimate sleeve aces. You're going to learn the original sleeve aces. You're going to learn got awesome effects. The vanish card, uh, some of the highlights in here, a lot of the incredible color changes, the 3+1, flip flop floop, a lot of sleights, the top and bottom change, divination, which is the the origins of Daryl Martinez's Untouched. Four ace vanish, an effect called right, wrong, right, which is the origins of the Gemini twins, one of the first versions of that uh, that Carl Fulves came out with. This is from 1965, so this is an earlier citation of that type of effect, of the matching effect, right, wrong, right. The chameleon pair, I have a new version, which I've coupled with the paintbrush change. All of the magic is very interchangeable, is one of the things I love. It's a lot like Marlowe. It's the principles that matter. You can put them in different orders as long as you understand magic structure. Um, we have face-up coincidence, triple coincidence, those incredible self-working card tricks. Like I said, we have a pseudo color change, which requires no sleights at all. Imagine doing a color change without having to do any palming or anything. We have an effect called Five Aces, which is a great opening effect, where you change a royal flush with the Joker into the four aces. It's wonderful. Um, we have cutting the cut the aces, which is Al Leach, but then it inspired me to create cut to any ace, which you can cut for any ace called for. So that's really awesome. We have the double vanish, which you can use. I use it in my ultimate sleeve aces variation. Pseudo boomerang, which is like an invisible boomerang routine, which is a great card effect. We have Phantom Monty, which involves an incredible switch. Uh, the four aces, which is an incredible gambling routine with an incredible quadruple finale, quadruple Duke finale, and then the Better Magician, which is incredible Kings to Aces effect. So, welcome to the new Super Card Man stuff by Al Leach, by myself, Darren Martineau, and get ready to take your card magic to the next level. So, we'll see you on the inside.